This hack or secret is what a lot of successful YouTubers are not telling you on YouTube. This is what you have to do before you even start uploading videos on your platform. You're welcome. This is YouTube Success with Dio. Now there is something I need to show you. I'll be explaining through screen recording on my phone. So let's go right into it. Now before you upload your video, a lot of beginners upload their videos directly on the app. I'm not saying it won't work for you, but the best way to upload your long videos in particular is to upload them on this website, not even on any app, not on the normal YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app. Upload it on studio.youtube.com. Go to the website and change it to desktop version. I'll explain those ones later. Just type studio.youtube.com, log in with the same email you used on your app, the same email you are using on your app. Log in and it will take you to your environment here. Now as you can see that there are a lot of features here, so we are still going to learn about all other features, but let's go straight to what we are here for today. Scroll down. Now if you look down here, you will see settings. Can you see the settings? You click on it. When you click on it, you see these two. We are focusing on channel and upload defaults. When you click on channels, make sure you go to ChatGPT. Download ChatGPT from Play Store. Register is very straightforward and ask it to generate SEO tags for you. Search engine optimized tags for your channel. Then place as many as possible. I think the maximum is 500 characters. Keywords, those you can use those tags as your keywords. Remember, on channel, click on channel. This channel, yes. Click on upload defaults. After that, it will take you to this particular environment where you see your title, description, then you scroll up, you see your tags. You can also place those same tags or keywords that you place on channel. You can also place them here. The maximum is 500 characters, so try to maximize it. This will seriously help your visibility. It will help the visibility of your channel. So make sure you do this. Take note of this. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, click the bell icon to get updates of new videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.